Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. I just wanted to show you this old Murray brand rider mower I've got here. This one's a 42-inch cut, 17 horsepower twin. So this is actually a 2-cylinder boxer style engine. So what that means is the pistons are opposing each other, left to right, and it's a very efficient engine. This is an industrial commercial model, so I believe it has cast iron sleeves in it. It's designed to last forever. It will far outlast this tractor. It's in pretty good shape. It's got the bagging kit. You can see some damage there. Twin hard bags on the back. This mower was actually given to me by one of my customers. They sold their property and didn't need it anymore, so in trade for servicing it for a couple seasons, the landowner told me just to take it away when they sold their house. I guess it helps that they got over $4 million for their house. It was a farmhouse out on a small farming island we've got nearby here. So anyway, the lady sold her house and moved into a care home, and I picked up this tractor. So today I replaced the battery. I installed a brand new 430 battery on it, Group U1 430 amp battery. You need a big battery for a big 2-cylinder engine such as this. And I got it started up and it runs good and all that, but when I went to run the deck, first off the blades wouldn't turn. So I had to look underneath, and this is the deck. I've removed the deck from the machine. I got underneath and found that the belt is quite thrashed, and it had fallen off. Also, this keeper guide's bent. These keeper guides here are bent, so we're gonna have to straighten those out. And this one here is bent, so we're gonna put a new belt. And I also noticed that this pulley, the bearing's worn out. So we're gonna fix that, and actually this pulley as well. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sloppy. So you probably see that in the video. That bearing's sloppy and worn. So I'm gonna take this spindle out, and press those bearings out, see if I can replace them. And I'm gonna take this apart and see if I can repair that. Other than that, this deck should go back on and work out fine. Blades aren't bad, they're actually still sharp from the previous service I did to this thing. Last time I serviced it, it hasn't been used in about a year. So yeah, we're gonna do a few little repairs to this baby, and up on Craigslist, Marketplace, Kijiji, Let Go, it's gonna go. Show you how it starts. Runs just great. So we'll straighten out the deck issues, and this thing will find a new home. Stay tuned to these tractor videos, guys. Like I said in the last 2 or 3 videos, I got a huge surprise coming. We're getting closer, about another week, and you won't believe what we've gotten ourselves into. Thanks for watching.